Oh no. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be at. We're just, oh no, we're sitting out here in the Kubo, enjoying our morning coffee. So this is what our current scuttlebutt. What's going on in the world? What's going on? Well, who cares what's going on in the world, right? We just care about what's going on around us here in Alaminos City, I guess. So, want to start by saying happy birthday to all my fellow Marines, past, present, and future. Semper Fidelis. Hope everybody had a wonderful day, celebrating the 247th birthday of our beloved United States Marine Corps. With that being said, I also want to say Happy Veterans Day to all my fellow veterans. Hope you all had a great Veterans Day. Thank you for your service and thank you for your sacrifices. Hoorah, Semper Fi.
Hoorah.
Arr! So, what's going on, babe? Anything? Any bitches, complaints? Words of wisdom?
Really.
Yeah.
Our sitting here, our time sitting here was delayed because of Jillian.
Yeah, we had
He said he will come tomorrow to pick up our garbage.
Sunday?
Yeah.
Or
He is the one who changed the day of picking.
Sunday, Saturday? Oh, yeah, okay.
And then suddenly he popped out and I want to pick up your rabbits. So
yeah, we it's kind of funny. It's one of the first questions I asked when I got here to the Philippines is, or when I got here to stay permanently live, is who collects our trash? Well, the previous place we lived, there was a trash man that came through with a, just like normal truck, big truck, garbage truck.
They bring the garbage truck. But in Bulanay before, when I was
I'm talking Dampay.
In Dampay. But yeah, they come over and take it. We even ask someone to make something for us in front so we can pile our rubbish. But here, no, you have to bring out your rubbish every day.
Yeah.
In the highway.
So the onus is on you to get your own trash disposed of. So we got a little young man that comes around and collects it for us, and we just give. How much do you give him each time?
50. But if happens that I need to ask him to do some more and then take out the weeds or clean up the weeds on our backyard, even though it's not a part of our place already, but it still need to clean up because they grow very quick. So
yeah.
I have to pay him 150. It's help for his school allowance. Actually, that is what he told me.
Yeah, he's a good kid. He's a real good kid. And, I don't care what anybody says about it, as far as this goes. Some people would be like, oh, especially nowadays, I don't get it. I mean, I kind of do, but I kind of don't. It's like, oh, child exploitation, you're underage child labor, blah, blah, blah. Fuck, screw that, man. When I was a kid his age, I was out freaking cutting grass, shoveling snow, doing any damn thing I could just to turn a dollar so I could go to the store and buy the stuff my parents never bought for me.
What he told me is he wanted to make money, so he want us, his mom, to give him school allowance or snack allowance. And I talked to his mother before. Her mother told me that he really never asked money from her because
that's good.
And then one thing is last week, I think, because I asked him to clean up everything outside and at the backyard. I gave him 150 and he said when he come back here, I gave the 100 to my mom because I want her to keep it for me for Christmas. I have money for Christmas, so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good to get them to get him, learning new responsibilities, and also learning the value of a dollar or a peso. It's good to get him going at a young age like that.
I hope he won't stop coming here because I really need his help.
Yeah. Well, I don't, even now, I don't know where the heck he brings that trash of ours. All I know is he takes it, we hand it to him, he takes it away, he comes back and she gives him 20, 50, I thought it was 20, but I guess 50 pesos.
Before he come out, I plan to ask we already talk about to come and he will come and pick up our trash twice a week. But then, why don't you just come over for once a week so you have more money?
Yeah.
I said, so that is what he's doing right now.
Just comes over once a week.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a nice kid.
And then sometimes if he really needs money, he will bring a local vegetable here.
Yeah.
And then, do you want to buy this I need something for in our school tomorrow. I need to buy like this, like that. So
yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool.
It's not very hard to help those kind of kids.
Yeah.
They never take for granted on you, but they will give something, and then it's up to you how much you will give him.
Yeah. So we give him about 50 each Saturday. And that ain't nothing really, you think? I mean, well, it is, but I mean, at 50 pesos to have him come over here, empty the trash. And then he'll also, if we ask him to, he'll trim the trees in the back here so that we don't have banana leaves smashed up against the back wall of our house. He'll clean up outside here, sweep the entryway.
He never complains.
Never complains. You just, I mean, yeah, he does little odds and ends. He's kind of like the little yard boy that you have when you're in the States. You
the gutter.
Have somebody mow your grass, trim your bushes, and clean up your driveway or your sidewalk, and whatever. There's little odds and ends type
he
things.
He even pick up, bring some bring me soil for my plants.
Yeah.
And then pick up some cow poop.
Yep.
Dried one for my plant fertilizer.
Yep. So there's a little tip for anybody that is planning to move to the Philippines. Once you get here and you get established, find yourself a helper, somebody that can, especially, a lot of retirees coming to the Philippines these days. Older folks. They can't always get up on top of the house and clean out the gutters or, go up in the, I usually if we got to go up into the attic, up in this area to run cables for the CCTV cameras or put up rat traps or put up, whatever, anything that you got to do up in the attic. It's always nice to have a young agile man, young man or an older boy to go up there and do those things. We have Jillian is his name. He goes up and he cleans our gutters. Well, I just got done telling you what he does, but he does all kinds of stuff, and he appreciates what we give him. It helps him out at school, buy his lunches and snacks.
Give him pizza if we have pizza, and then he's happy.
Yeah.
He's happy, and then he never asks for more.
Exactly. That's cool. That's really cool. So yeah, we're sitting out here in the Kubo sweating our butts off. We have to turn the fan off when we make these videos, because if we don't, then all you're gonna hear is the fan. You're not gonna hear us talk, because the fan is literally right up behind this camera. We have one mounted here in the Kubo. We have a fan mounted out here, and we have a like a fluorescent triangular light that we have hanging up here.
We can sit here at night.
Yeah, you can sit here at night. It's really nice. We paid, what did we pay for this Kubo? 26?
28.
28,000 pesos. And it is a
15 by 8.
No, it's not that big. We were looking at the 6x6. That's the standard size.
By what?
remember we were originally looking at the 6x6. That's the small one where you enter in through the middle and it's kind of rectangle shaped.
Just this side.
Yeah, with just a table in the middle, and then you move up to like the 7. This is either 7x8 or 6x. I want to say it's 6x8.
I don't know.
6 wide. Yeah, it is.
You want me to take the meter?
No. Because remember we were gonna ask him to build us a 7x8. An 8x8 would be perfectly square. This is not. This is a big rectangle.
8x7, I think.
It's an 8x7. 7x8. No, 6x8.
6x8.
I'm pretty sure. It's 6 feet going widthwise and then 8 feet this way.
It's been almost 2 years.
Yeah.
So we need to clean up and then repaint.
Get it refinished.
Refinish. Yeah, because that is how you take care of the kubos here. Because there are some. It's not a termite. It's something like black beetle, small beetle that they're eating the. They stay inside the bamboo and they slowly eat it. So we need to ask the kuya again.
Yeah.
They advise us that time that we can anytime if we need to ask them to refinish this one.
Yeah.
We will just go and see them in their shop.
Yeah, we should do that.
Schedule.
Do they have like a treatment that they put on here? Like a treat, like what do they treat it and finish it?
Yeah.
Or
they
is it all in one?
first.
Yeah.
We can ask them like that because as for now the weather is dry.
Yep.
We can let them do that.
Yeah,
because it's very hard to dry the how you call it polyurethane.
Polyurethane.
Yeah.
But this isn't. Is this
varnish?
Varnish.
Yeah. Barnes.
Not Barnes.
Varnish. Varnish.
Well,
So
I was gonna say they.
not easy to dry if humid.
Right. Well, good luck getting it non-humid around here. That's never gonna happen.
As long as it's breezy and
Yeah.
the weather is sunny.
Yeah. But yeah, we definitely will get it refinished. Because, you know, you like to keep them new looking. They look just fabulous when they're brand new and they're just recently built.
And
But then, what, 6 months later, they start to fade. And
because of the rain.
They lose
and
their
the
luster
The humid makes
This-
them,
in the sun.
yeah. Because, and I wanted to put the Christmas light here.
Oh,
So
boy.
I will see the panelko every day.
Oh, that's another thing we gotta do.
Blinking.
That's the Pinocchio. That's another thing we gotta do this weekend is do the Christmas tree. You seriously want to put that up now? Well, yeah, it's
Yeah.
mid-November. It's about
You
time.
remember when we were at the old place in Dampay, I put October.
Yeah, what do you guys think? When should we put our when should people put their Christmas trees up? Here in the Philippines, man, they start Christmas celebrating the Christmas season like September 1st.
Yeah, once the Burr month started.
Like holy crap, man.
That's how people excite. That's how how excited we are
Yeah.
for upcoming Christmas. You know, you have to prepare. You never because we stay here in our place. We stay here in our. We celebrate Christmas here. But if we go through our place by place, like go and visit our relatives, you will feel the right Christmas feel.
Yeah.
The celebration because you see how how we celebrate the Filipino culture.
Well, it starts so early. I remember, what, 2020 when I first got here in July.
We bought a big
September, yeah, it was like the first day or whatever of September. We were walking through SM Mall and there in Dagupan.
everything
And
is singing Christmas.
yeah, it was like the first day
praising
of September or something, like September 3rd or something. And there's Christmas music going.
Spirit of Christmas.
And I'm looking around, I'm like, wait a minute. Whoa, we haven't even hit Halloween yet. What's going on, guys?
That's why that once
It's funny.
it's Burr month, Filipinos, they're excited to.
And there ain't nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that.
Because
If it makes you happy and it makes you feel good, then hey, do it. There's enough there's enough negativity and misery in the world nowadays. If it makes you feel good, then do it. Then do it.
Yeah.
Whatever. Just like you and your orchids. You like your orchids. You sit out here and you look at them and you play with them and you water them and
I even talk to them.
They bring you joy.
Them.
Huh?
I even talk to them.
Yep. And I'm
Like-
just
Like Kim Jen Jam Jam.
Yep. And I'm the same way with guitars. I like walking into a room full of guitars hanging on the wall. I don't know what it is. I'm a junkie. I can't help it. So if you see any guitar videos on my YouTube channel and you don't get into guitars, I apologize. just don't watch it, I guess, because I try not to, because it's not what this channel is about. But every now and then I like to throw a guitar video out there just to kind of, I don't know, something I like.
One thing is, it's part of your daily activity. So there's nothing wrong posting sometimes, once in a blue moon, about your guitars.
Yeah, and that's the thing. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this YouTube channel yet. I mean, it's really going nowhere. Ain't nobody doing. I got there's a few people I know that, that watch the videos and whatever. And I know I don't bring. I don't bring like some other vloggers. They bring something of great value to their viewers. Whether it be important information, vital information, stuff that you can use in your everyday life. We really haven't. I don't know. We just kind of.
I don't know.
Discuss our lives and what we're doing here, and
then some advice you have to do your blah blah blah, your channel name or whatever.
Yeah.
But our thing is he's a former gunnery sergeant, so he used gunny, and then me, a former cook or a chef, so we put chef. We don't use our name, but I don't know what's happening. He's ranting every day.
I know. It's like, well, what should we do? What should we do?
Every time sometimes our subscribers went up, but then slowly going down. That is one thing he's questioning me. Why like this, like that, like this, like that? But just wait for your turn.
Yeah, you try not to get yourself too wrapped around the axle on it. But you can't help it. You look at your subscriber count, and it's like, oh wow, we lost 3 today. Oh, okay. How many more tomorrow? Oh, we got 2 new subscribers today. The next day, oh, we lost 3, and it's like you take 2 steps forward, you take 3 steps back, and it's like, what are we doing? So, maybe the point is just to have fun. The main point is just to have fun and document your life. And I like when we travel, I like taking videos of when we travel, but it doesn't seem. The only people that really enjoy watching it is you and I.
Yeah,
We're like, seriously, we'll watch a video. And we'll watch a video and we'll be like, oh wow, 10 people viewed this. She said it last night. She was looking at a video and she's like, oh, 15 people already watched this video. I'm like, honey, we watched that video 10 times before we even posted it. So 10 of those views are from us. And she's like, oh, forget it then.
What is the use of making videos if you don't want to watch it? And then one thing is, those videos are the evidence that you went to a place and then you enjoy yourselves.
Right. I like to bring the memories home.
Yeah.
And watch them. Like, say when we're sitting around eating dinner or whatever, we'll sit around and we'll watch these videos, and we'll just.
If they don't want to watch our videos, then never mind. Thank you for those who are watching, for those who listen to our blah 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 every day. But the thing is, it's fine.
I'm sure.
Wait for the time that like this, like that.
I'm sure anybody that has a YouTube channel and they've tried to, succeed succeed, period, in making YouTube videos.
Like my brother.
Or succeed in their YouTube channel. I'm sure people can relate. They know exactly what I'm talking about. For those of you who don't make videos and post them and stuff, you're basically consumers of YouTube, and you probably don't know exactly where I'm coming from, but for those of you that do, you're probably like, yeah, just hang in there, man.
Because for our YouTube channel, we just started 2 years ago.
Yeah.
2 years ago, just for our daily activities like that. What is going on? We don't do something for advertisement. For making money like that.
Oh yeah, that's a long ways away.
Yeah. So
if that day ever comes.
Yeah, the only thing is we wanted to share.
Yeah. And I think that's the problem. I think that at least that's what I hear people talking about on YouTube, is that, you know, you need, if you're gonna do a YouTube channel, you need to find a niche, and you need to kind of stick to one theme, one topic, one niche, I guess, however you want to put it. And that's not something we have accomplished yet. You know, like, okay, say for instance, if you have a cooking video, that's all you do is you post videos of you cooking. But we're kind of like all over the place right now. We haven't really established a niche, so to speak. Because, you know, we'll be in Bohol, we'll be in Cebu, we'll be here, we'll be there, and we'll be posting videos of all these places that we're going to. And if you look at our videos, nobody watches our vacation videos. Very few people. No, but when you post a video, we post a video of us just running around Alaminos City, people watch that stuff. So I think the people that watch us are pretty much just interested in watching us around our place and where we live and what we do on a day-to-day basis. And these videos right here, you know, not a lot, you know, we're small YouTubers, but people will watch this before they watch us ziplining over Lubbock River at friggin', you know, hundreds and hundreds of meters above the earth, you know, which I think is super exciting and super cool, but nobody else thinks that, you know. It's like, so I tell you what, as a YouTube channel creator, video creator, whatever, you don't know what
people want to watch.
Yeah, you don't know what people want. It's kind of a, it's a very mysterious game, you know. But anyways, enough of that. Peso rate today is 57.26. That graph is going down. I don't like that. I want it to stick up to 58 and 59 areas. So wait, 50, what are we at? 57, what did I just say? 57.26?
57.26.
57.26?
I think that is the thing today.
So when we want to talk about current scuttlebutt, man, that's it right there. Peso rate. I know that's pretty much important to us expats living over here.
Yeah, 57.26.
57.26, and then I got 31 degrees Celsius temperature, humidity. I don't even know. It's freaking so humid. But
don't it's my daily thing. This one, coming out from our bedroom, I started sweating.
Yeah.
Every day.
Yeah, we run the AC until about what, 9 o'clock in the morning. And then 8 o'clock, well, whenever we get up, basically.
I'm a sweaty person.
Yeah.
If one day that I don't sweat, I don't feel good. So sometimes if he asks me, let's go walking at midday, I complain.
I don't, you know, I guess it's
because I sweat.
I guess that's the Marine in me. I don't, the hot weather, as long as I drink plenty of water, I'll be okay. But you, yeah, I know you don't care for it. You have to take the umbrella with you.
My problem is I sweat a lot. The first thing is my head really pour out. You see, I'm sweating.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting. Well, that's my problem.
Okay, for some reason this camera must get hot or something. It shuts off. Maybe it's, I don't know. But yeah, you do sweat a lot.
I can.
So you need to make sure you're drinking a lot of water.
I can go walking early in the morning and then late in the afternoon, but not on midday, because once before we reach our place of destination, I'm already perspiring, and then of course I don't want people looking at me nasty, filthy like that. But he wants that. That's why I always complaining and scolding him sometimes.
I know she gets mad. I don't want to be out walking in this heat. I'm like, man, come on. We got to stay active, man. We're in our 40s and 50s here. We can't be just
Sitting here is really makes me sweat, even inside the house.
Yeah.
This is for Eric, for him is good, but for me, as my body, it's my body. I don't, because it's not really good.
Expats and Filipinos. Lazada sale going on right now. Get your sale items.
3-day sale.
3-day sale. 11/11 sale.
But some of them.
Also, go to the market and get your prawns. All the foods that Filipinos love to eat. Guess what? They're going to be trying to buy that stuff during the holiday season. The demand is going to be high.
We went to,
and the market people know that, so they're going to jack the prices up. So get it soon.
We went to the market. We passed through the market yesterday because we need to buy prawns. But the other day I already went to the same place but different market. I went and then that vendor is already my Suki, which is I always buy every time from her. And then the prawns is $4.80, which is already frozen. They already put already soaked in water and ice. But then lately I found someone who's selling live prawns. Live prawns, and really fresh. They are still jumping. I tell you what, over here in the Philippines, it's not like you can go to the grocery store and get some nice fresh cut sirloin steaks. And it's 400 per kilo, so we bought prawns, live prawns. It's real fresh, so we bought 1.5 kilo yesterday. And then I told Eric that we need to buy more. We have to stock. Instead, we have to buy stock, so we no need to buy before Christmas because they're going to rise up the prices.
Yes, that's what I was just saying. Get to the market and buy your stuff, because once December rolls around, that seems to be the month where those things start to really shoot up in price. So squid, prawns, anything. Well, ham's always expensive because that's usually imported. But the things you buy in the wet market that people generally buy a lot of around the holiday season, the people at the market, they know that the demand is going to be high for the holiday season, so they jack the prices up.
And if
so get it early if you can. If you have a place to store it, we have a freezer that we can store a pretty good amount of stuff. But
and then if you're thinking about storing the prawns, maybe you will question, it's too long. It's been around more than 1 month to go before Christmas. But something is, you have to clean up the prawns, dry it, and then put inside the container and sprinkle sugar. That will make your prawns fresh until Christmas and New Year.
Right on.
That will be the one. That is my advice if you wanted to stock up prawns.
So get your foods now if you can. If you have a place to store it until the holiday season or until Christmas, whatever. Take advantage of Lazada's sale going on right now, and then they'll be doing it again, I'm sure, in the beginning of December. And Amazon. For all you American people out there, go check out Amazon. Free shipping on so many items. I shouldn't be giving that advice because it makes you spend money. But the things I can't find, of course, or I can find it, but they don't offer free shipping on it, is the stuff that I really could use more of, like white Fruit of the Loom t-shirts and well, I've got a lot on. I stocked up on underwear now, so I'm good there. But those are things that
you can.
I don't know about the rest of the Americans that are or foreigners living in the Philippines, but I know for me, I can't find underwear or t-shirts that fit me right here, so I gotta go outside, Amazon or whatever, and get
in
that
SM mall.
Yeah, good luck with even that. I bought two polo shirts, pullover, whatever you want to call them, shirts in SM, and I had to buy 3XL just to get an XL American size. I wear XL and American size, but over here I wear a 3XL. So it's not easy. But hey, it is what it is, right? You just do what you got to do and go to Amazon if you have to. So that's pretty much it, I guess. What do you think, hon?
Yeah. We might talk too much already, and then you don't want to watch it again.
Well, like we flip on, right before we flip on the camera, it's like, whoa, what's there to talk about? And then you flip on the camera and blah, 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 20, 25 minutes later, you're like, holy crap. I try not to let these go past 20 minutes, but that's not easy.
We don't have any plans today, but I might just do my laundries and the Christmas tree.
Yeah, laundries and Christmas trees. Well, there you have it, guys.
Yeah.
I want to thank you very much for watching.
Oh, bring my Jum Jum for grooming.
And bring our dog for grooming. All right, you all take care. Happy Veterans Day, belated, and happy birthday, Marines. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.